I like to have multiple sanding devices on hand, like a fine sanding sponge. This is fine, or it's probably around 150 grit. I also like to use 220. Really, I have in the past used a 220 grit sanding sponge for an entire bedroom. If you have a lot of square foot to cover, you can use something like this. This is a drywall sander that goes on a sanding pole. So you just got to be careful because this can pop and make a mark. Another tip for in the corners, if you have a sponge that has an edge like this and some angles, you can get into these corners and make those real nice. I'm gonna start down here with a fine sanding sponge. I'm gonna switch between the two. When I have like a big, I'll say clump, I'll use the fine, and then when it's not as bad, I'll use the 220. Yet another tip for you. A nice big bright light to highlight how bad you are at mudding. So I'm gonna start with the fine sanding sponge. The whole goal of this is to make the wall smooth. Look at that. I'll take my 220. And that didn't take long at all. Oh, I want to show you an example in here of why I like using sponges that are angled like this. As I said, you can get in nice and tight here, like this, and then do the other side. And this is the hardest part in here. You really got to be careful and go in here and just try and make it smooth. At the end of all the sanding, once you clean everything up and before you prime and paint, like something like that, this area is perfect now. Just try not to go down so far that you hit the paper. Once you hit the paper, stop immediately and you should be good to be able to paint it and cover it up, and it should be okay. So that's it.